How to make a poll system in Roblox Studio. Add a screen GUI to the starter GUI and name it Admin Poll GUI. Admin Poll GUI is a window for entering questions and options. Add a frame. Add 3 text boxes named Question, Option 1, Option 2 for entering the question and both options. Add 2 text buttons named Submit and Close for pressing. Add a text label outside the frame and name it Alert to notify when the system is unavailable. Design as needed. And disable it temporarily. Add a screen GUI to the starter GUI and name it Display Poll GUI. Display Poll GUI is a window to display the question and show the result of the selection. Add a frame. Add 2 text labels named Question and Timer to display the question and the countdown timer. Add a canvas group, name it Bar, and add 2 frames, named Bar 1 and Bar 2, to display the results from options 1 and 2. Add 2 text buttons named Option 1 and Option 2 for users to click to select an option. Design as needed. And disable it temporarily. Add a remote event to replicated storage and name it Poll Event. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This server script lets a player start a poll, allows everyone to vote, updates the scores in real time, and prevents multiple polls from running at once. Get remote event and create poll variables. Detect chat command. Detects what the player types in chat. Checks if the player typed /poll. Open the poll menu. Check if system is busy. If a poll is already running, tells that player system is busy. Otherwise, opens the admin poll creation UI. Waits for messages from clients. Action tells the server what to do. Data contains extra information. Runs when the admin UI tells the server to start a poll. Prevent duplicate polls. Only starts if no poll is already active. Locks the system. Prevent duplicate polls. Resets both vote counts to 0. Sends the poll question, options to every player. Waits for the poll duration. adds 5 extra seconds buffer, unlocks the system when finished. If someone tries to start another poll, they get a busy message. Only accepts votes while poll is active. Adds 1 vote to option 1, adds 1 vote to option 2, sends updated scores to everyone. UI can update instantly. Add local script to admin poll GUI. Writing the script. This local script controls the poll admin panel, lets the player create a poll, validates the input, and sends the poll data to the server. Get GUI objects and remote event. Get buttons and text boxes. Hides GUI and alert when the game starts. Creates a reusable function. Shows temporary error feedback on the submit button. Saves original button style. Replaces it with an error message. Changes color to red. Temporarily disables button. Waits 1.5 seconds. Restores normal button. Creates a reusable function to close and reset the UI. Hides the GUI. Clears all text fields. Waits for messages from the server. Action decides what the GUI should do. Open the admin panel. Runs when the server says the player can create a poll. Clears old data. Shows the main panel. Hide alert. Resets button state. If the poll begins, close the admin panel automatically. Show system busy warning. Runs when another poll is already active. Hides the admin form and displays alert text. Shows 3 seconds and closes automatically. Close button. Lets the player manually close the panel. Submit poll. Runs when player clicks submit. Makes sure every field is filled. Shows error if anything is missing. Packs all poll information into a table. Sends the poll to the server. Closes the panel. Add local script to display poll GUI. Writing the script. This local script shows the voting UI, lets the player vote once, updates the vote bars in real time, and hides the poll when time runs out. Get GUI objects and remote event. Get buttons and vote bars. Hides the voting UI when the game starts. Stores vote totals. Controls whether player is still allowed to vote. Creates a reusable function. Updates the result bar sizes. If nobody voted yet, both bars stay at 50%. Smoothly animates equal bars. Converts votes into percentages. Smoothly resizes bars. Waits for poll events from server. Action controls what happens. Show the poll. Opens the poll UI for all players. Resets scores. Resets bars to 50-50. Show UI elements. Allows player to vote. Displays the question and both answer choices. Updates visual bars. Counts down from the poll duration. Updates timer every second. End voting. Disables voting. Shows finished message. Waits 3 seconds and hides the UI. Receives live server scores. Updates local vote numbers. Refreshes bars. Only allows click if voting is active. Sends vote to server. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.